don't we just completely just let it really gently. Good. That's it. Good. Ready? Nice and relaxed. Good. Good. Well done. How you doing?
Boy, that was good.
Right, take a deep breath in. As you breathe out. Good. Good. Breathe out. Good. Good. Somewhat similar to what
What happened to me, man? You guys are all.
breathe.
Yeah. Been out in the sun too long, isn't it?
What's that? Just want to see if I can test out my ability to bend around.
Oh yeah, hey, mate, I'm joking. There we have it. Warren has just sorted me out, and man, I feel amazing. Warren, please, Warren, let them know your Instagram and where you guys are at.
Yeah, so this is Medical Home Visit, right? You can post on Instagram as Warren_MHV. That's Mother Hotel Violin. Yeah, so Warren_MHV. Any questions, DM me. If you're hesitant in booking and you want to know a bit more, just give me a shout and I'll get in touch with you. And yeah, I'll
see you then.
100%.
Let's go. Last one. Well, thank you for watching, guys. And if you like what you've been watching, subscribe. I'm the avatar knows Tao Chi Kai. Oh, make the form.